Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's session. We are going to discuss about model-driven app. Let's get started. What is a model-driven app? In order to understand model-driven app, we need to first know the big picture. The big picture is Microsoft Power Platform. It's a low-code environment from Microsoft. That means low-code means instead of writing programs, the users or developers can just drag and drop and create business applications. In this Microsoft Power Platform, there are four major components or modules. First module is Power BI, second one is Power Apps, and third one is Power Automate, fourth one is Power Pages. These four modules are supported by data connectors, AI builders, and Dataverse. This model driven app is part of the Power Apps. Let, let us try to understand more about the model driven app given we got the big picture. What is model driven app? A data centric app built on Microsoft Dataverse that structures data and processes based on the business model. Microsoft Dataverse is a database to store the information. It is like Oracle or SQL Server, but this Microsoft Dataverse comes as a part of Power Platform that is model driven app. What are the key features? Pre-built UI automatically generated responsive layout that adapts to web, tablet, or mobile devices. So, model-driven app pages are responsive design based applications or pages that can be accessible via web, tablet, or mobile in both iOS and Android devices. And model-driven app is a data-centric design. Dataverse, which is a Microsoft Dataverse, is a database, default database for model driven app. If you want to connect to different data sources, you can connect to it. We can write rich business logic in the model driven app. What are the benefits? The consistency across devices automatically adjust for use on different devices without additional configuration or changes. Built-in security. Given this model driven app is based on the data, so data security is very important. This model driven app comes with a lot of security features so that we can protect the data and give right access to the right people. And rapid deployment. We not only can quickly create business applications using model driven app, we can deploy it in the production environment and give access to the users. As a next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a model driven app as a demo part of this session. Let's get to the demo. Let's go to the make.powerapps.com. On the left hand side, you will be presented with these menu items. Let us click on create. Here we can create an app. There are multiple ways to create the app. For our demo, let's focus on build app, and we are going to create a model driven app. Let's select model driven app. Let's give a name to the model driven app. We call it course MGMT app. It is course management application. Let's create this application. Looks like this application exists. Let's say, hey, 001. The course management app 001 is the name that we gave. Let's see. There we go. We created course management app 001. Here you can see course management app 001, and we can see the description on the right hand side, the app name and the description. On the left hand side, we can see we can create the page, we can create tables, we can write business processes. Let's focus on creating the table. Let's say create a new table based on the data hours. Here, what we are going to create we will first check whether there is a course table or looks like there is no course table. Let's create this course table. When I clicked on create course table, here you can see create a new table. We can do it in four different ways. One is using the Copilot, which is a chat GPT kind of AI assistant from Microsoft, which is very powerful. You can type here and a table will be created. This another way is using the SharePoint list. The third one is using Excel. And the fourth one that what we are going to do is start from the blank given. This is our first demo. Let's give the table name as course. Looks like there is already one column. Let's give a course name and course description. Right? We added two columns, course name and course description. Let us save this course table. Sometimes creating this course table may take some time based on the availability of the resources at the Microsoft end. Looks like we are able to create this table pretty quickly compared to other times. I did see there is a at least 1 or 2 minutes delay creating these tables, and you can see this donut working on it. It comes up. So let's wait. Let's give some time and come back. Yeah, looks like it's done creating the table, right? We just created the table. On the left hand side, we can see there are two pages or two forms are created. One is course view form and another is course form. See here, we had course name appeared here. Let's enter course name as our platform. Let's say this back to courses. Here we should able to see platform course. Congratulations, we are able to successfully create a course management power model driven power app. We added a page and we are able to add the information. Let's add one more, say, AI course. Let's save that. Let's see. We should have two courses. User can go ahead and update or change this and save it again. So this is so simple, right? Let's save this application, course management application that we just created. Let's go back and see what are being created. We came to the make.powerapps.com and let's go to the apps. The newly created course management app is available here. We created a table, right? Let's see the table exists here or not. Let's go to the customs. See here, we have the course table. Congratulations. As a part of this demo, we are able to create a model-driven app called Course Management App. And the Course Management App, when we added the table, automatically this model-driven app created two forms for us. One is to see the courses, and another is to enter the information, right? So, congratulations, we are able to successfully create it. Let's see what our next slide is. If you like this, please subscribe. Looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye for now.